Hello, kamusta? Skin Kaisi. So guys, I will show you how to feed birds. So for now videos, I will share with you how to feed birds. So let's
Hello
watch
guys, welcome
later.
back. It's me, Ken Kaisi. So this is the bird. So yung lagayan niya is small lang. Very small. But, oh my god. She's scary. Can, I can't. Come on. Oh my gosh. Time to eat na. Let's go. Okay. Can't imagine. Oh no. The pop is already done. But you can eat na. Don't be shy. Don't move it. Look at that. You can eat. Oh, oh my G. My G. He flying. Look at that. It is very hard to feed this kind of birds. Listen to me. You can eat now, whether you like or not. Look at that. Nagugutom na pa siya guys. How many last night he didn't eat very well because there's something on his eyes. Look at that. His eyes is not open. Temporary close your eyes niya. At the left side of his eyes, but in the right side. I feel so annoying. Oh, look at that. Why don't eat? I feed you. He dislike to it, guys. Oh, look at that. Mm. I said eat. Why don't you like to fly and fly without wings? Kasi yung ano yung guys, her wings is, look at that, it's a very short. Oh, he can't fly into the sky. Yeah. Get well. Time to eat. Don't be shy. So he didn't like to eat, but she's still here beside the seashells. So look at that. You look up her, guys. Come on, let's eat. Peter birds. Let's eat. What's going on? Why oh why you can fly and fly? She like to fly without wings. She like to fly but the wings is so short. So scary. Uh, it's so scary. Oh my gosh. What happened to you? The little birds. You try to fly and fly but without wings. So that you cannot fly without wings. Oh my gosh. It's so scary. Why you scary with me? Why you don't eat? Come on, let's eat na. Come on.